Great to see you here again. My name is Luc de Koster, founder of the Koster Academy. And in this short video, I will discuss the topic, do we use Waterfall or Agile? And is it always better to use Agile or can we use Waterfall? What are the issues around our selection? Now, before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you. So let's have a look, and the question I want to answer here is Agile always better than Waterfall? Now, we have to consider that Agile is not failure-proof. And in some cases, the Waterfall approach is still better. When you use an Agile approach where we have really all the characteristics, all the information that tells us that we are in a stable environment, then Waterfall may be better and Agile may be a bad solution. It depends. You have to evaluate, depends on the situation. Adaptive environments, that means basically that we have to be adaptive to the changing environment. And that's the thing that I want to stress here when we look at Agile or Waterfall. Is the environment adaptive? Now, why do we have Agile projects that are failing? Some items or some documents say that the lack of structured planning and the lack of documentation are important reasons why the Agile approach can be the bad choice and Agile approaches will fail. Now, when we look at the element, when we look at Agile or Waterfall, my opinion is that the project manager and the team should be Agile. Agile in the sense that they will have to adapt the way they manage the project, taking into account the specific circumstances. It may be that some parts of the project can be considered like Waterfall, predictive environments, while others are like Agile in adaptive environments. So it's very important to make that evaluation in the project team itself and adjust your way of dealing with the project in the typical looking at the circumstances and the conditions of the project. We can say, what method are we going to use? Are we going to use Waterfall? Are we going to use Agile? And in this case, I have a Scrum application of Agile. And what do we say? Do we use Waterfall? Do we use Agile? Or do we have a hybrid solution? That's the best way to deal with our project. It depends on the project manager, the team, and the specific circumstances. Selecting between Waterfall or Agile as a yes or no Waterfall or Agile choice may not be the good way to deal with it. We have to be adaptive in the approach that we take to create a successful project. So that was it about the decision, Waterfall or Agile. Anyway, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next videos. Bye bye.